How does mySCADA work? Our server connects to the PLCs, RTUs, HMIs, MES systems, sensors, etc. We also offer our own operators panel, which includes our SCADA license. For direct communication, utilize the dispatcher network. Use myDESIGNER to create the project. Rich components library fastens your work. All personnel can monitor and control the production. Control your technology using remote connection. Now I show you the production line demo entirely created in mySCADA system. You also see advanced visualization and direct production control. Alright, let's go through the basic features of mySCADA. Active control gives access to the production know-how. All the recipes and manufacturing parameters can be modified or set as the following article of manufacture. The alarm system gives a general overview of the action, especially errors during production cycles. In the history section, all data is logged and visible in graphs or tables. It is crucial to react immediately in an emergency. The personnel can stop the production in seconds. In the next section, costs are displayed at a glance. Clear graphs generate the consumption based on the time range. Paperless documentation directly involved in the project helps to ensure fluent production. All necessary documents in one place. The most popular feature in factories is predictive maintenance. It tells what is wrong with the production line and what to expect in the near future. When the machine part is repaired, the next ongoing maintenance will automatically appear in a schedule. This clear overview of machine conditions decreases unexpected costs. MES provides production statistics. Time-based selection helps to get a general overview of the pieces produced. This summary is useful for all persons concerned, such as shift supervisors, quality management, or stakeholders. The displayed information can replace other production details. It is very flexible. A clear graphic overview makes maintaining the whole production process quick and effective. If any unexpected situation appears, the system reacts immediately, as you can see from the picture's coloring and the chart's fluctuation. If you are interested in our SCADA, please go to Live Demo and try it on your own, or go to web and read more about our products.